let us analyze this data. What about the displacement? It is never be zero. Displacement can never be zero. No, it is not true. When ball travels from 140 centimeter and comes back to position O, the displacement becomes zero. Its magnitude can be greater than or equal to the distance traveled. No, its magnitude cannot be greater than the total distance traveled. But it can be less than, its magnitude can be less than. In all cases, the magnitude can be less than or equal to. Like in position B, it is distance is also 140 centimeter and displacement is also 140 centimeter. So its magnitudes can be equal but cannot be more than the distance traveled. It can be less than the distance traveled, but it cannot be more than the distance traveled. And its displacement can never be zero. It is not true. Displacement can be zero. And its magnitude is always less than. No, it cannot be always less than. It may be equal to the distance traveled. Well, if the ball stops here, then it is equal to the distance traveled. Now take another example of an athlete running in a straight line. Its position is at 0. It is at O, position 0, and it runs to 100 meter here. It runs to one position is at point B and another position is at point A. B is 40 meter advance and it is 100 meter. A is at 100 meter. Now analyze this question. If the example of athlete running back and forth on a straight track, then what will be the displacement of the athlete? Be 0. Can displacement of the athlete can be 0? Yes. If it comes to the point A and runs back to the point O, then its displacement is 0. This displacement is 0. If it comes back to point O. What will be the total distance travels in that case? Total distance is 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100. So total distance is 100 plus 100. That is 200 meter. Now